Hello, I'm David Martin, the mayor of the city of Stamford, and I'm very happy that you're coming to listen tonight to the experts tell you about coronavirus and the vaccines that are here now. Ask your questions to make certain that you have a better understanding of how your health is important to us and what you can do to help make certain that you are safe. It was over a year ago that Dr. Calder, our Director of Health, and who is on the panel this evening, and I started talking about the risk of this coronavirus. And we didn't know very much at the time, but we were concerned it was coming. And in fact, a little over a year ago, when we announced our first changes of protocols before even a single case had happened in Connecticut, and I said, there is a storm coming in the form of coronavirus. And it has been a terrible storm. And we've lost many good people in this country, in the state of Connecticut, and here in Stamford. A number of people that I've known have lost their lives. We lost Jack Bryant, who was the former head of the NAACP and on the Board of Education, to coronavirus. But now we're beginning to see a little bit of the clearing of the clouds. We're beginning to see the sun beginning to shine through, and it's coming in the form of science and the vaccines that will help keep you safe, will keep your family safe, and will keep the whole community safe. So tonight we've got a number of people to share their information with you, answer some of your questions. We have, as I mentioned earlier, Dr. Calder, our Director of Health, who it turns out is actually an expert about vaccination science. We have Dr. Tabitha Fort, who has volunteered her time over the last several months to do testing at individuals at her, sometimes at her own expense. We have her husband, who is actually the head of the NAACP in Stamford, and we have members of the faith community to talk about how important this is to all of us. It's important to us that everybody be safe. So answer your questions, and please get the vaccine, make yourself safe, protect your family, protect your community. Thank you very much. Have a good evening.